So the Taan Sao is one of those blocks that we're going to use for the upper part. So if you think kind of elbow height and upwards, to get it right, it's a very, very simple block actually. In essence, the movement is simply from that mid position and you're bringing it up. So basically the palm of my hand is kind of facing backwards. It's square to my shoulder. What you don't want to do, and I'll throw in some don'ts first perhaps, is don't try to block out to the side. It's really not very strong. If it gets to the point where, again, it's kind of level with my face, but in front of my shoulder, square to my chest, if I need to block to that side, effectively what I'll be doing is turning my body, and that'll take quite some force. So again, you basically bring it from the middle position, just bring it up. That's all you really need to do. And again, you can see how far ahead of me it is. So ideally you're blocking with this part, but it's still got quite a decent amount of area to do the job. Very obviously, if we're going to block with this hand, we can strike with the same at the same time. And it's one of the advantages of this sort of block, is that because you're blocking to one side, you can strike with the other hand at the same time. The chances of someone blocking your strike while they're hitting you and you're blocking them is actually quite slim. So very effective, and we'll see how to do that over the next few lessons.